Mr. Beal. Mr. Bear, what are you doing, Mr. Bear? What are you doing? What are you doing? Grab his ear. There you go. Grab his ear. Grab his ears. Mr. Bear, Mr. Bear, Mr. Bear. Mr. Bear, Mr. Bear, Mr. Bear, Mr. Bear. Mr. Bear, Mr. Bear. Oh my God. Ah, terrified. Ah. I do not want. Oh, happy baby. No, be happy. Be a happy baby. Not a sad or scared baby, but a happy baby. Don't like it. Don't like it. Don't like it. That's a nice baby. Rub your ears. I hope you. Oh, no.
Y'all know what I love to do with money besides
That's right. Rub the ears. Oh, rub the head. Nice baby head massage. You like that? And a little face massage for you. You like that? Oh, Liv, that looks so stupid. That's all. John Travolta used to be cool, and now he's doing crappy Disney comedies with that piece of shit Robin Williams, who always stole jokes and always tries to be on, even though he's horrifically unfunny, has bad BO and herpes. That's nice.
This is recording.
That's nice.